everyone, it's Editing Pam. I just realized I never recorded any intro for this video. I just kind of jumped right into it. So I wanted to take just a few seconds here to welcome you back to my channel. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, thanks so much for clicking on this video. My name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on this channel, I like to share all of my organizing tips, tricks, and strategies. I also like testing out organizing hacks and organizing products. So if that's something you enjoy, please stick around and maybe even subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get back to today's video. Hey, so today I thought I'd talk about 10 items that you can let go of to help declutter your kitchen. Number 1, expired food. Go through your pantry, go through your refrigerator, go through your spices, and get rid of anything that's expired. You know you're not going to use it. Number 2, declutter, get rid of those extra cookbooks you have lying around. We all have the best intentions saying, oh, I'm going to try out all these new recipes. In reality, we rarely open the book at all. And besides, all those recipes are available online. So go through those extra books and get rid of them. Number 3, let's talk Tupperware, shall we? And more specifically, let's talk about those lids we find and we cannot locate the bottoms to them. Let go of those lids. You'll thank me tomorrow. Number 4, purge all those extra coffee mugs you have. You know, this is one of the top 10 impulse items we all buy. I do it myself. I love coffee, and I happen to be walking through a store, see a cute mug, and I'm like, I gotta have it. But your cupboards don't have room for it, so pow! Get rid of them. Number 5, extra water bottles. I have been in so many houses where they have 20 and 30 of those nice little water bottles. And really, unless you're doing group sports that you are hosting and offering them to all your friends, you only need 1 per person in your household. So get rid of the extra. Number 6, extra fast food condiment packages. You know, we get those little packets of ketchup and mustard and whatever else they give, those little salt packets. And we have the best intentions. We say, oh, we'll do this when we pack a lunch. We'll put these little packets in there. You know, I have seen thousands of these packets in my clients' drawers, and they are like from 10 years back. So get rid of those extra ketchup and mustard packets that are cluttering up your drawers. And sticking with that same fast food category, purge all those packets of utensils they give you too. Again, we say we're gonna use them in packing lunches, and just like the condiment packages, they sit in our drawers never used. So go ahead and purge those extra utensil packages, because your drawers ain't got space for that. Number 8, impulse appliances. Now these were commonly known in my day as the Ronco products. You know what I'm talking about. I guess in current day, these would be your bread makers, your fondue sets, you know, those as seen on TV ads that we can't help ourselves but order those items and they just sit in our cupboards doing nothing. So get rid of those impulse appliances you have lying around your kitchen. Number 9, let's talk takeout menus, shall we? I mean, really? Do you need them? All menus are available online. Get rid of the extra clutter in your kitchen and just go online. You know you're going to place the order that way anyway. And finally, number 10 is really a no-brainer. Get rid of those expired coupons. They accumulate and fill up our drawers, and none of the stores take the expired coupons anymore. So it's an easy way to get rid of that extra clutter in your kitchen. Okay, so there you have it. Those are 10 items you can let go of today to help declutter your kitchen. Trust me, your future self will thank you. I hope you found this list helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and while you're clicking away down there, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know when I upload another list like this. Take care and see you next time.
It's blocked. So when you go to...
When I sipped it, I started to choke on it.
Oh, God. After you sip, move it right here.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Goofball, I wish I was recording. You are punchy. Try to stay centered right on between. Move your head to the, a little bit to the, right there. Okay? Okay. We have fun here at Organizer 911.
Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my other socials are in the description box below.